There's still some snow to come, especially across parts of the Midlands and the southeast. So over the next few hours or so, this dying band of rain, sleet and snow clearly visible here. And by the time we get to the rush hour, there's actually not going to be left an awful lot of it. So if you're wondering what the conditions are going to be out there, say around about 5 o'clock, well, there's still some sleet and a bit of snow across the southeast, just about into the Midlands, but everywhere west of that, we're out of the danger zone. It does look as though it'll be dry for the most part. Temperatures will be dropping off, so later on this evening it is going to turn a little bit icy, but I do want to stress we haven't finished with the snow just yet. There is still some on the way for tomorrow, but in other places. Here's Northern Ireland, cloudy skies with dribs and drabs of rain. Also the Western Isles getting quite damp through the course of the second half of the day. A little bit of winteriness across the mountains of Scotland. You'd expect that, wouldn't you? For northern England then, cloudy skies, a little bit of sleet here and there, but nothing more than that. So tonight, the last of that wintry weather, we say goodbye to it. It's cloudy, misty, murky, a lot of low cloud forming. In one or two locations, the temperatures will drop down to freezing, so that means inevitably, I'm going to do it all over again tomorrow. Icy conditions on some of the roads, but we're used to that by now, of course, this winter. But in most major city centres, right at the high street, I don't think it's going to be particularly icy. So tomorrow morning, that gloomy start, but there are changes on the way once again out west. We've got this band of rain, which will bring a soggy afternoon to Northern Ireland and western fringes of the UK as well. Towards the east, it remains cloudy. And still on the chilly side, we've still got some pretty cold air over us, around 4 degrees. For example, in Newcastle. And then beyond that, here it is, round 2 of winter weather. So weather watch this time for heavy rain and snow, so combination, and also some very gusty winds. So this is what happens tomorrow evening. Okay, so this band of rain slides across Scotland and Pennines as well. You notice there's some white here. So that's snow, blizzards as well in some locations. The snow could even go down to lower levels. We'll have to stay in touch with the weather to see what the details will be as we update the forecasts, of course. But by the time we get to Friday, that band of rain is out of the way. It's still lingering across the southeast, but conditions should be improving as we head towards the end of the week. And also, it'll turn just that little bit milder. So we're not done with the snow just yet. More on the way tomorrow night, but this time it's Scotland that's going to get the snow.